2, 3. Get the hell out of my house! Let me relax, bro. Ain't nobody in here, man. I know I'm good. Oh, bro, you know what? Let me relax. Let me relax, man. I know no one's here. I really gotta stop convincing myself that somebody's here just because I hear 1 or 2 no. Oh! No! What? Who are you? Oh, wait. You're here to fix the internet, right? Oh my God, bro. You scared the life out of me for a second. Oh, man. Damn, my fault, man. I didn't mean to disturb you. Wait, but why are you wearing a mask? Oh, damn, the Rona. Bro, I keep forgetting that thing around still. My fault, man. I didn't mean to disturb you. My dad must have let you in when I was upstairs. But yeah, just do your thing though, man. The router, this is the one in the living room, and then actually, here's the keys to my parents' room. That's the other router in there, all right? Just make sure when you go in there, don't, touch anything on their dresser. They got a bunch of expensive, like, jewelry and all that, and they would kill me if somebody even moved it a little bit. So just try your best not to touch that if you can, all right? All right, cool, man. I'm probably just gonna run to the store real quick. All right, you need anything? You need something to drink or something? Cool. All right, well, if you need anything, just holler at me, all right, man? All right, cool, man. Peace. Oh, damn.